So the process to change miles to kilometers in Google Maps is quite easy and simple. So for example, for now, if I go to and open up any location and put in the direction, you can see it is in miles. So to change it to kilometers, I will just go back to the normal screen and here tap on this profile icon at the right top corner. This opens up. Now just go and tap on settings, and the process is same for Android as well. So once you're here, scroll down, you can see distance units. Open up distance units. Now you have an option of kilometers. Tap on kilometers, go back, go back, and once you are here, now to put in the location, put in directions. Now you can see it is in kilometers. So hope this video will help you to change miles to kilometers on Google Maps. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.